Yeah, man, this upper stone hill, and nothing now go on, boy. You see it there? I just look at jewelry like regular, like Sunday morning. All people there lock up. But we don't outside I go and beat it, you see it? Yeah, look more, go back a road, go look at next squad.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. So my viewers and my subscribers, this thing is getting real drastic right now, my viewers and my subscribers. Beryl is going on with a bag of things right now. A crocus bag of things. Yeah man, my viewers and my subscribers, continue to like, share, comment and subscribe. So Beryl has made land farm and is impacting the country tremendously right now. Where I am right now, the current has just chipped out. So you will be getting any update anytime soon. Because even if you do put on your service, Digicel gonna take that away. But viewers and my subscribers, Beryl has hit the highland and is now doing what he does best. So viewers and subscribers, continue to stay safe, continue to stay tuned, plugged into your radio. Check out your YouTube channels for your daily, hourly, or even minutely update on this dangerous tropical 4 storm by the name of Beryl. I don't know what it is angry about or who trouble it. Jano, my viewers and
Shaman? Yeah. Ita come now? This look like me should have put on my water boot. Should have put on your water boot? And Kyle, water boot can't fit him now. In growth in water boot, me see one pan sitting there team you with me one by fame.
Yes, let's say, them say star ma come. I'm gonna make my chicken them dead, you know. You hear me? They have to take up and put in my blood clot and finish bathroom. You hear me? I want chicken for them when storm done. Believe, man. Yes, man. Alright, hear me now. Don't fuck up.